Jamaican world record breaker Herb Mckinley. He was a two-time 400 meters and one-time 100 meters individual Olympic silver medalist, who eventually rose to the top of the podium as a member of the Jamaican team which struck gold in the 4x400 at the 1952 Olympics. And what a gold it was too, as it was achieved in a world record of 3 minutes 3.9 seconds. Running the third leg for the team, Mckinley received the baton more than 12 meters behind, and in one of the most impressive legs of all time made up that deficit, handing over in the lead to individual 400 meters winner George Roden on anchor. Mckinley's split was 44.6 seconds. No man had ever run a relay leg in under 45 seconds before that moment. World record for the individual one lap, 400 meters, 440 yards, on 3 occasions, with a 400 meters best of 45.9 coming on the July 2, 1948 in Milwaukee, USA, just under a month before he contested the 400 meters final at the London Olympic Games, 5th of August, where he finished second to compatriot Arthur Wint. Mckinley blasted out a dramatic first 200 meters which took him some meters clear of the field at that point, but he was caught for gold with 20 meters remaining. In the 200 meters final, Mckinley finished fourth. He came away with 2 other Olympic medals. This time he finished strongly in the 400 meters, missing out on gold by less than a meter from yet another Jamaican ace, George Roden. Only 4 days earlier in Helsinki's Olympic Stadium, Mckinley's lunge for victory in the 100 meters was even closer, with USA's Lindy Remigino given the judge's verdict after the then 30-year-old Jamaican seemed to have caught his opponent on the line. Outside the Olympics, Mckinley took NCAA sprint doubles in 1946 and 1947 at 220 and 440 yards, and in 1947 was the fastest in the world for the 3 flat sprints, 100 meters, 10.3, 200 meters, 20.4, and 400 meters, 46.2. In retirement, Mckinley was coach of the Jamaican team, 1954 to 1973.